Okay, this is Soil Test Pro Part 2. So now I'm just going to try and walk you through adding some fields here. So I add a job, and then I just clicked on that Roselle's field that I'd uploaded on the first video, and I'm just adding the grid. And then I click add the samples, so I did that 216 or 2-16, and then basically I sampled that, and now you can see me in that round circle. I'm just driving with the Jeep across the field here to the next sample point, and then I'll stop, and then I'll hit add samples. Should be getting close here. This part I think is pretty slick. I have a few problems with the app here or there where you kind of have to X out of it and start again, but it works pretty good. So I confirm, so this is 217. I'll write that on the bag and then take my sample, make sure and hit save for later, and then that way you can just keep driving to the next points on the field. So it says sample count 2. I think there's 7 grids on the field. So basically I bail out and then I'll show you the sample.
Okay, hopefully I can edit these parts of the video together. But you just seen the app, and then I grabbed a different soil testing tool this morning because I happened to leave my batteries in the shop for my other one that I built. So the part of the app you've seen, I pulled up and then I marked this is 2-16. So I just wrote the name of the field on the bag, 2-16. And then I think there's 8 sample points in this field. And so I'm gonna drive to all the sample points, sample them all, 217, 218, so on. I'll put them all in my clean bucket. I'll mix them all around. I'll have all of them sample stops wrote on the bag. And then when I get to my drop-off depot with all the samples, I'll just write on their bags and then dump all the dirt into their bags and send it off to the lab. So I'll show back to the app here in a minute.